Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some more chicken. We're going to be going on the swing over there when no one's on it. The roundabout that randomly goes round. The monkey bars. And the teacup where that little Joe is. Look at it. Zoom in.
I'm here! I'm here!
Yeah, I'm the teacup. The spider swing that's over there. The monkey bars and the roundabout.
The spinning animal. I'm here!
So today we're joined with Aaron. No. Harvey again. He's in almost all my chicken videos. And a new kid, Jason. Oh, Aaron's here as well.
Oh yeah.
So we're going to be playing chicken. The first round is me and Aaron running, and then them two on the swings, and then it's me and Jason running, and then it's Aaron and Jason.
I can't come off the swing.
Alright?
If you're wondering why I'm involved in running,
Yeah, I hurt him. I hurt him.
He hurt me, so I'm only swinging.
Yeah, I hurt him. Alright, so let's get started because we're already a minute 15 into the video.
It's abuse.
And the most it can be is 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so let's go. Jason, you need to get high though, like swing high. I'm such a bad role model.
Wait, you got.
Wait, Aaron, take my phone.
Wait, no, first of all,
Wait, someone put my phone down. No, I'll put it in my pocket.
I'm going to Jason.
Alright, they're in sync. Alright, you go first. Because I'm kind of scared. Don't, Harvey. I've got your phone in my pocket. Shit. So that's that go. Do you want to know what? I'm going to cheat. I'm a fucking cheater. Then you got Aaron. Then you got Aaron that does it properly.
When I'm in front, he's going.
Yeah.
Because he knows I'll go. I'll jump off the swing and get him. I'll go. Yeah.
That was so close. That was actually so close.
You gotta try to hit everyone. I almost hit everyone.
Exactly, Harvey. Exactly. When someone gets hit, yeah, we'll change around.
Yeah,
It's your
but
turn.
Aaron's avoiding me. Ah!
Fucking hell.
I hit you.
No, not properly. It has to be with you.
Oh, stop in the middle. No. Oh, you're not cheating.
No, you're not. You're not in sync. Hold the camera.
I got it.
Right, I'm going to stop Jason.
Let me start again.
Alright, Aaron, do you want to get on now?
Alright, yeah, I'll get on.
Alright, give the camera to Jason.
Okay.
No, you. Yeah, no.
Been 3 minutes already on this.
I don't need to be pushed. Yeah, no, but I'm back. Get on
I'm a
with it.
child!
I don't need to be pushed. Okay. Why are you pushing me?
You're on my last nerve! Stop pushing me!
What, he's going to actually be trying to hit me?
I'll just back you.
You're nowhere near in sync. Harvey, you need to stop. I'm no push, Harvey. Yeah. Aaron, you're heavy. You're wobbling the swing, right? Look how high I'm pushing him. Oh goodness! Did you just fall? No, that's amazing.
I didn't!
Aaron, I heard it.
Swing!
Fuck off!
Telling me I'm wobbling.
You are.
How the fuck
Oh
you
yeah, guys. Comment down
you?
below if you want me to share funny and scary stories with you. Oh yeah. Like with my 10 subscribers, not even that. I think I've got like 5. So just comment down below if you want to hear some funny and scary stories. So, and I'll do a video for Halloween where I take you round trick-or-treating with me, my friend, my cousin and his friend, and we'll all just be messing about and hopefully egging. Because we're idiots. So I think I'm going to chicken. It's already 5 minutes long. Oh, they're going so fast.
I don't want to hit you guys though.
I'm scared for Jason. Did I nearly get hit?
By me, yeah. No, not really. Not by me. By me, yeah.
Alright, Jason, go. Jason, go.
Go around the front. Go back.
No, you have to like be quite close though.
I don't know.
You're not in sync.
Bye.
Fuck it, I'm gonna be like Jason. Bitch ass nigga.
Nigga, bitch. Let's try, dog.
Bitch ass person.
Oi.
Do one. Alright then, Aaron off. Fucking hell.
I'll stay swinging.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Please. My turn to run. Oh, God.
I'm going to be cutting out a lot of stuff in this video.
I don't want to do this.
Because, like, the language, I've got, like, 1 subscriber, it's like 7. Wheeze from the I'm not actually trying to hit you, I'm going to kick him in his head.
The fuck?
I'm going to kick him in his head. Can I kick you in your head? Oh, you spit on him.
Don't fucking spit on him.
Is he your brother?
Yes.
Oh.
You actually spit on me, I will break your neck.
Alright, go, we're in soon.
Yeah, Jay, you go first.
I didn't want to hit him.
You guys want to hit me though.
I was so close to spitting on it, it was unbelievable.
The fuck, Jay? No, you did it. I'm going this way.
No, that was because like I got scared.
Yes, I'm scared.
No. The thing is, this kid has to go when I'm over here. I'm like, you know, over him.
Tyler, I thought you said 15-minute video.
What's time?
It's 8 minutes in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Like,
for 10 to 15 minutes.
we're going on everything else.
Alright. That was so. Harvey, you have to jump off.
Oh, go. Come on.
It's a spider swing. Some fat kids on the spider swing. So we're going to be on the roundabout and we're going to play our special game.
The fuck's this? I don't know. I'm new.
Alright, Harvey, explain the special game.
I'm new here.
Alright, we just spin and see who.
So basically, what we're going to be doing is me and Aaron are off, and Jason and Harvey are sitting in there.